became an arborist because I always knew that I liked working outdoors, and I felt that the best way to get into that was maybe starting a tree work. It's just refreshing every single day. You're not working in an office, you're not got the grind of getting through traffic, you haven't got train journeys. It takes a long while to learn to become an arborist. It's not one of those jobs you can just leave school and do. But using the best equipment and working hard and using the best of your knowledge to make every day safe so you make the money and come home at the end of the day. That's what it's all about. My name is Chris. I'm a professional arborist and forester. Making the best choice in every single piece of equipment for our line of work is very important, be it from the smallest carabiner to a rope, a saw. Everything comes down to making you get home safe at the end of the day. The importance of having the right ropes and using the right knots, being safely trained in the use of rope techniques is one of the big parts of our job. Physical fitness in our job is quite a big part of it. You're going to be struggling a little bit if you've had one too many burgers or beers the day before, but it's always going to be one of those things that keeps you fit. I think when you first get into this job, the feeling of the tree moving and swaying around in the wind can be a little bit unsettling, but you learn that the tree's kind of not working against you, you're both working together. Pretty euphoric, getting to the top of the tree. You are seeing things that people on a day-to-day basis don't see ever. Definitely a feeling of freedom. As soon as I started in tree work, the first saw that I picked up was a Stihl, and it hasn't changed since. They're the number one for reliability, safety, starting first time. We do prune trees and remove certain dead, dying branches from trees, but we're going to be looking after trees for a very long time. Descending from the tree, you do get a big sense of accomplishment. The nature of our work, it does take its toll on tools. We need them to be reliable, tough, dependable and safe. You need them to start on the first pull and keep going throughout the rest of the day. You do have to be passionate about doing tree work. It's one of those jobs that's in you for life, I think. The nature of our work demands safe, reliable and tough tools. Day in and day out we push them to the limits. That's why I choose Stihl.